this video tutorial, we will see how to print full triangle pattern. Let's move to this code, execute this pattern. You can see here, in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. These space characters are decreasing line by line, the range of 2 from 8 to 0, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. Those space characters are appended with numbers. These numbers are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 9, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Along with every character there is a space character. Here this pattern we can divide into two parts. So let's type code to print this pattern. We are going to use I variable, declare and initialize it with 0. Here we are going to use while loop while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of while loop we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5. 5 less than 5, condition false. The iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we require an inner or nested while loop. So declare and initialize a variable j with 0 and use while loop while j minus 1 less than I into 2, and at the end of inner while loop iteration we are going to increase j value by 1. So for this condition j value will be minus 1, I value will be 0, minus 1 less than 0, condition true, and it is going to iterate this while loop. Now after the iteration j value will become 0, 0 less than 0, condition false, and iteration will stop here. After completing this while loop iteration, the I value is going to become 1. So 1, j value is minus 1, minus 1 less than 1, condition true, and 0 less than 1, condition true, 1 less than 1, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. Similarly, this inner while loop is going to get iterate for the remaining values of I, 2, 3 and 4. So let's print the space character first. Print. We are going to combine two space characters here. Two space characters 4 minus I, which is going to give us 8 space, then 6, then 4, then 2 and 0 space. And in the same line we are going to use the number value, so that we can achieve by using end parameter of the print method. Now let's print number j plus 1 and separate it with the space character in the same line. So let's print the result in the terminal. Run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see here we are able to print the numbers in the same line, but if we want to print it the line by line, so for that we are going to use this print method. Print. Run the pytriangle.py file in the terminal. You can see we are able to print our first half. Now to print the second half we are going to use if condition. If j plus 1 value is greater than half of the length of the line, that is I plus 1. Then print the first half. Print first half separated with space character, else print the second half. Let's run this pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print first half and second half with the star. Now to replace this star and write the logic. The logic is j minus I to print the required second half of the pattern. Run this pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see here we are able to print our required number triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number triangle pattern.